helpless parrot needs getting rescued after getting tangled in 9th floor balcony netting. The luckless bird is desperately trying to free itself, but it ends up getting even more tangled than before. Luckily, this guy spotted the distressed parrot as it was trying to untangle itself and came to the rescue right away. The poor bird is agitated and soon starts screeching, fearing this man is there to hurt it. Using a pair of scissors, he's trying to cut through the netting and set the beautiful parrot free. The parrot seems a bit calmer as it realizes the man is there to rescue it and not cause further harm. He has to be very careful as he cuts the net. The parrot might lash out and hurt itself on the scissors. The parrot is calm now and is patiently waiting to get rescued so that it can go back to enjoying its life. Kind-hearted man has managed to cut most of the net. Just a little bit remains until the lovely bird can finally be free. Hang in there, buddy. Soon you'll be able to fly once again. He has finally managed to cut free the trapped bird. Thanks to him, the parrot gets to be free once more. Understandably, the parrot is still scared and in shock after such a terrifying experience. Fortunately, it hasn't suffered any injuries. Hopefully the parrot won't get itself in trouble again. This time it was lucky to be spotted by this kind-hearted man, but it might not always be so fortunate. After making sure the bird is well and unharmed, he is now taking it to release it. The adorable parrot is ready to fly again and soar up in the sky. The world needs more people like this compassionate man. The free, happy parrot is ready to flap its wings and fly away.